Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing west facing house plan, and here we have a highly spacious and beautifully designed ground floor house plan, and that perfectly balances modern living with traditional Vastu Shastra, and it is built on a large 40 by 60 plot, and this layout minimizes wasted space while providing amenities and oversized rooms and bring the natural energy flow for a prosperous home. The total plot area is 2,400 square feet, and the total build-up area is 1,715 square feet. Let's get into the plan for the detailed room by room was explanation. And we have a west-facing main gate, and we have a portico cum car parking space inside, and we have a sit-out of 23 feet by 7 feet over here, and our west-facing main door. And this house features an exceptionally large 16 feet 6 inches by 28 feet 9 inches hall that is accessed from the west facing sit out, and the main door is placed in the favorable western zone and welcoming the evening sun and inviting positive social energies and financial gains into the living space. And we have our master bedroom at the southwest corner, and the master bedroom is measured to the size of 16 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 3 inches. It is perfectly positioned in the southwest corner, Nairobi corner, and in Vastu, this zone is governed by earth element and which provides stability and grounding and leadership energy. So it is the most auspicious location for the head of the family to stay or sleep. And it also includes private dressing room and come attached toilet. And we have a dressing room of size 5 feet by 4 feet. And through the dressing room, we have an attached toilet of size 11 feet by 4 feet, and here we kept our commode pointed towards north. As per Vastu, we should kept our commode towards north or south, and in this attached toilet, we kept towards north, and we have kept our bed position in the south side. It is very auspicious for the sleeping position, and we kept our wardrobe in the west. It increases wealth and prosperity. As I said, the southwest is known for the head of the family to restore sleep to get more stability and strength and prosperous for the family. So we designed our master bedroom in the southwest corner. And coming to the kitchen come dining room space, we have a dining room over here, and dining is provided with a size of 11 feet by 10 feet, and is beautifully placed in the east and right between the puja room and the kitchen. And this is the exact location as the morning sunlight from the east brings positive healthy vibrations to the family during meals. And we provide six-seater dining table over here, and the fridge is positioned at the corner. And here, through the dining space, we have an accessible to the kitchen, and it is located in the southeast corner, that is Agni corner. And the kitchen is measured the size of 11 feet by 10 feet, and it is the ideal zone for fire elements. So Vastu highly recommends the placement of kitchen here to ensure good health, vibrant energy, and continuous growth prosperity. And added bonus is the attached 5 by 10 utility space and keeping the main kitchen clean and clutter free. So we provided a utility room inside the kitchen. And next we coming to the kids bedroom. The kids bedroom is measured size of 16 feet 6 inches by 10 feet. And in this bedroom also we provide a bed sleeping position south and wardrobe in the west for the uh, wealth and prosperity. Also as per what we should get there. And in this bedroom also we have a dressing room, also an attached toilet. Here we provide dressing room of size 5 feet by 4 feet, and through the dressing room we provide an attached toilet of size 11 feet by 4 feet. And coming to the puja room, it is a spacious 5 feet by 10 feet. Puja room is situated in the exact northeast corner, that is Ishan corner, and this zone represents the water element and divine energy. So placing the prayer room here is considered to be the most sacred Vastu choice and bringing immense peace, clarity, and spiritual growth to the family. So we provide in the Ishan corner. And next we have external staircase over here. This staircase is located on the southern side of the property, And Vastu dictates that heavy structural elements like stairs should always be placed in the south or southwest, and this helps weigh down the area and blocking negative energies or providing a strong anchor for the home. And one of the best Vastu features of the plan is the north passage, and we have a continuous 4 feet 6 inches wide and 48 feet 6 inches length on the entire north side of the house. And in Vastu, keeping the north side open, airy, and well lit is highly encouraged as it is the direction of Lord Kubera and attracts financial and prosperity and positive magnetic energy into the home. So we provided here, and that's all with the overall plan. And you can get more such plans on our website, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world, and our apps are available on the Google Play Store, Houseplans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planners and Designers apps. We are also conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Shastra. If you're interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Thank you.